Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about simple hacks for home working space. Rather things I try to improve my workspace a little bit. We all have been working from home for quite some time now, and there is no clear certainty on how long more we all will be working from home. So we thought that this is the right time to improve and invest a little bit on the home working space. We didn't actually spend a lot, rather it worked out really cheap because we used some things from our old furniture and some things which were just lying in the basement. So I just want to share with you guys what all new things I added in my workspace, and if you are interested, please keep on watching. The first thing first, we always wanted to have this broad table for our two monitors because we both are programmers. We work day in day out coding, and we need these monitors to work with. Otherwise it makes our life so difficult to work with a laptop or just one monitor. So I think this table gives us enough space for all our computer accessories and two monitors. And to achieve this broad table, I actually used a tabletop. As you can see, the white color one was a tabletop which was from the previous tenant. It was lying in my basement, so I used that on top of my actual small table. Since there is only little bit of the white table protruding from the actual table width, it is pretty much stable. It doesn't move at all. Next small thing I added here is this side lamp, because this room actually opens up to two windows and two doors. There is always a light onto the monitor, like a glare onto my monitor. So that's why I added this lamp. This actually neutralizes the glare, and also since this is pointing downwards, it doesn't hurt your eyes, and it's just is falling onto the keyboard surface. And I think it also adds a nice aesthetic feeling to this space, because I can also change the color of this bulb through my Google Home according to the time of the day. So the next thing I'm really excited to show is this a sort of standing desk arrangement. So for that we got plywood from Bauhaus. So this is very lightweight plywood from Bauhaus, and then we got these 4 legs, and then it's all about fixing these legs with screws onto this plywood, and this gives just perfect height for the keyboard and the mouse to actually work with. And for the monitor, I had no hacks. I had to order something basic from Amazon to adjust the height of the monitor. So this is just a basic stand and is height adjustable. It's also easy to fix this height, and it also very inexpensive. I would leave the link of this in the description box. You can check this out. This is how it looked like after everything come together. Yeah, it's not as perfect as the one which we have in office, but I think it just works fine. Especially for me, I'm so used to change positions and work. I really like to stand and work sometimes and then sit for some time. But yeah, for a person like me, it really works fine. I think it's really important to change positions if you have back problems, and also generally it's really good and ergonomic. And on that note, I wanted to also recommend this standing desk chair. I think these are called wobble stool if I'm not wrong, and these are really nice to relax your back, especially if you have pain in your tailbone. It actually massages it and also relaxes your tailbone. So the next thing we use a lot is this relaxed sitting arrangement, and for that you just need a lightweight plywood. I think this was just from a table or something which was in my basement. So I use this armchair actually, and the armrest of this armchairs I use to rest my plywood on. And I think this is a really nice idea, especially when you don't need monitor to work on, or you just have a meeting and you can take this meeting directly from in this relaxed position. Since this plywood is resting on the armrest, it's not putting any pressure on my feet, so that way it's really lightweight and comfortable. And also the most important thing is, since my arms are perpendicular to my plywood or onto my keyboard, they are also not generating any pain in my arms, so they are pretty comfortable. My arms are comfortably resting on the armrest of the chair, and also my head is leaning back and relaxing. So this is a nice relaxed sitting arrangement, and I really like it. And that's all in this video, guys, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.